PHED Minister Losi Dikho said that a society can be developed well if the topic on development is deliberated widely and everyone takes responsibility. He said this during the 100th anniversary celebration of Sadar Baptist Association Manipur and Manpao Jingso Baptist Church, SBA, Kangpokpi District. 2013 male police constable candidates in waiting list today staged a protest at Haubam Marak Kaisham Leirak Community Hall demanding appointment letters of the 200 candidates. Taking part in the protest, spokesperson of the candidates waiting list, TH Pradeep, said the current government declared results of the 2013 DPC, but the fate of the 200 candidates is still uncertain. They appealed to the government to bring a solution to the matter by February 15. After years of militancy, members of Naga national political groups, an umbrella group comprising 7 Naga rebel factions, and the Pro-Talks faction of the United Liberation Front Assam Alpha met in Guwahati yesterday. Both groups discussed the future of the ongoing peace negotiation with the Indian government. National Socialist Council of Nagalim Reformation Chairperson Wangtim Naga said the meeting was very fruitful and the two groups discussed many issues like socio-cultural exchange between Assamese and Naga people, according to sources. Many of the meat shops in Jiribam district are unhygienic and run in bad condition, which could spread different types of diseases in the district. Ironically, the concerned department has not taken up any step to improve these unclean meat shops till date. As such, the residents seek the attention of the concerned authority towards the issue. All Assam Manipuri Students Union AMSU Central Committee today observed the first foundation day of the 3 Kanglasha pillars erected in memory of Manipuri martyrs at Laishram under Patharkandi in Kasa district of Assam. The event was attended by AMSU Central Committee Vice President Ngasepam Sanahal, Karimganj District Committee President Laishram Bir, along with elders of the area. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Parliament announced the formation of a trust for the construction of a Ram temple in Ayodhya as directed by the Supreme Court in its landmark verdict in the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid case last November today. The Prime Minister said that he is happy to announce that in the Cabinet meeting today, the Cabinet took significant decisions on the Ayodhya Trust.